Yeah, Katie, I guess we're gonna make fetch happen. Yeah, already told Gretchen. Yeah, and Regina. Alright, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribe, yes, subscribe. I look like a movie director. I look like a movie director. It's the fact. But okay, I think y'all can see. Okay. But today I'm gonna be, I don't know what to call it, like reviewing, but unboxing, reviewing my Bratz size Mean Girls collector's dolls wave 2, the spring fling. I only have 2 of them, Janice and Katie, and we're gonna review these dolls together. All right, before we get started, I want to talk about the scroaching Bratz dolls. So I just want to show you one of them, but isn't she so pretty? Can you guys see? She's so pretty. I put her in different clothes, but she's so pretty. One thing I would say with them, like, it's just I don't know, maybe because they was budget, but it's like a lot of the clothes don't fit on them, like the shoes don't. This skirt, it fits, but the top kind of doesn't fit. I think because they don't have the same body, like the same figure as the other ones, so it was really hard for me to like put them in other clothes. So yeah, maybe because they're just budget. They were $15 but now they $19.99, so I guess it's just that. So yeah, but overall I like the doll. But okay, I don't know which one to start with. I do got Katie right here, so I think I'm gonna do Katie first. So first I want to show you the poster. I took her out the box because I had to see how she was gonna come out, because a lot of people's Katie, their head came off and it wasn't like good, but luckily I looked through it and I moved her head a bit to show. But we're still gonna review. I just had to hurry up and look, like, kind of like close my eyes, but I had my eyes open like to see if she was moving and stuff. But yeah, I didn't really like analyze, so you know. But yeah, anywho, so this is the poster. I think it'd be cute on here. I think I might put a poster on it. I think that'd be cute. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna put this on the wall. Yep, I think I'm gonna put her on the wall. This is the poster, it comes with it. So cute. This is my second Katie doll. I'm so happy. I wasn't able to get Regina, but if any of y'all want to buy me Regina for Christmas, you can. But yeah, I wasn't able to get Regina because I was broke. So, but yeah, but I was able to get Katie and Janice, and I'm so happy that they did Janice. I wish they would have did what's the boy name? Damien. I wish they would have did Damien. But and Aaron, I just feel like they would have been cute, even if they were like budget. They could have did like 2 budget dolls of like, make him, you know, they could have just did 2, you know. Yeah, and plus Damien was plus size, and this would have been like the first plus size doll of Bratz, so it would have been so cute to me. But yeah. Anywho, this is the box. First impressions with the box. I love the box. I love how heavy it is. And I love this. I love that. I love that. And it's gonna go like, I love this. I'm keeping the boxes. I will be taking them out. I haven't took out my Clueless ones yet, but I will be taking these out. But yeah, here we go. Isn't she so pretty? Okay, the problem I do have with the head. So I talked with one of my, not really friend, but somebody else who also collects dolls, and the head is so up, like you can't move it. That's the only problem I don't like about with this doll, is that the head doesn't go down. It's just, it stays up like this, like neck is broke. Like it stays up like this. And I think that's why it's a problem why a lot of them dolls' heads are coming off, because you can't move her head. And yeah, some people dolls there were bobby headish, but mine wasn't. But yeah, I still do like it. I still do like it. I like it. I really do wish they would have did like 3 outfits, because I know like when she was dressed in like more as a plastic, I know she had like a pink basic look. I wish they would have just made that like a little fashion pack. That's really about it, because I feel like it would complete the look. And also, I wish they would, hopefully they do a wave 3 and make it like a fashion pack, etc. That outfit. Just so many stuff they can do. Like, I wish like the Regina, they would have did like the tracksuit where she was eating that stuff. Like, she was just eating a lot of food because of the bars that Katie said it was helping her lose weight. So she just was eating anything. I wish they would have did like the tracksuit. I feel like this would have been so good. But yeah, this is my review of Katie. She's, I would say an 8. Just because I wish they would have added a little bit more. And then the head. That head for like $70, like the neck's broke. And now I have to take her out the box, and I didn't want to, but now I have to just to make sure. But yeah, overall it's like an 8. But yeah, love her. Lastly, gonna open Janice. I was so excited for Janice. But I would say the faces of these girls, chef's kiss, that's 10 out of 10. But yeah, Janice. She's my lesbian queen. Like, she was a lesbian, well, because she dated that boy, but like for a few seconds she was my lesbian queen. This girl, I love Janice, girl. Thank you to the girl, thank you to the woman who played Janice in the movie. Mean Girls. Thank you, girl, so much. Oh my God, I love this. Like, look at Damien. Like, imagine a doll. Like, they could have been a 2-pack, like Gretchen and what's her other name? Forgot the other girl name. But yeah, they could have been a 2-pack. But yeah, here's Janice box. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. They have the best packaging. But yeah, she's my favorite. Like, she's here for business. I love this. Love this, y'all. Oh my God. You guys see? I love this doll. So perfect. So perfect. So pretty. The packaging. Oh my God. I love it. Oh, she's so pretty. Like, look at the face. Look at the face. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. When I opened this doll, she was the first one that came. When I opened this doll, I was gagged. I love this Janice doll. I need like 5 of her. Bratz, MGA, if y'all got like 5 of them like hanging around in a warehouse, send them to me, okay? I love this Janice doll. I'm obsessed, okay? I'm obsessed. I love it. And I love the background. I say Spring Fling. I love it. I love it. I really wish we would have got boys. Like, we need some like Bratz boys. Like, I really wish we would have got Damien and Aaron. His name Aaron? Yeah. Is his name? It's been so long since I was girls. But yeah. I'm trying to see what else. Oh, I love the look. The crowns. I love that. Yeah. I also wish they would have had a porcelain with all 3 of them together. Yeah. All right. I'll just look at the doll. All right. That's my review of the girls. Hopefully I get Regina. Probably won't make a video on Regina, only if I get more dolls. So yeah, this is my review of the girls. I will be taking them out the box. I wasn't going to, but I will eventually. Not now, but eventually. But I have to take Katie out quickly because I want to see if her head is intact, etc. So this is the only reason, like, 8. This is a 10 out of 10. Janice is a 10 out of 10. And Regina's a 10 out of 10 for me because I saw the product pictures. I saw other people's product pictures. She looks like a 10 out of 10 for me, but this one is like an 8. It's really going down to 7.5 because now I got to take her out the box. So yeah, let me know which one's your favorite, and like, comment, subscribe, and peace, y'all. And go watch Mean Girls.
Go right straight out, look in.
Look in. One quick question.